if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head.
The Samsung Galaxy A15 is an absolute beast of a phone. With its powerful MediaTek Dimensity 6100 plus octa-core processor that boasts a 2.2 GHz dual-core and 2 GHz hexa-core setup, you can expect lightning-fast performance and snappy multitasking. And let's not forget about the whopping 8 GB of RAM that this phone is equipped with. It's like having a supercomputer in the palm of your hand. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on the go, the Galaxy A15 5G has got you covered. Get ready to experience a whole new level of smartphone greatness.
And it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed.
The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is a true powerhouse. It features a stunning 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display, which delivers vibrant colors and sharp visuals with a resolution of 1080 by 340 pixels at 396 ppi. You can expect crisp and detailed images. And the 90 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and fluid animations, providing a seamless user experience. While it may not have a bezel-less display, it still offers an immersive viewing experience. Plus, with AGC Dragon Trail protection, your screen will be safeguarded against scratches and everyday wear and tear. Get ready to enjoy all your content on this impressive display.
From the bruising, I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing.
The camera setup on the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is absolutely incredible. It boasts a powerful triple camera system that will take your photography game to the next level. The primary camera is a whopping 50 MP with up to 10x digital zoom, allowing you to capture stunningly detailed shots even from a distance. The 5 MP ultra-wide-angle camera lets you capture breathtaking panoramic views, while the 2 MP macro camera lets you get up close and personal with the tiniest details. And let's not forget about the LED flash, ensuring that you can capture clear and well-lit photos even in low light conditions. Plus, with full HD video recording at 30 FPS, you can capture all your favorite moments in high definition. Get ready to unleash your inner photographer with the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery, giving you plenty of power to get through your day without worrying about running out of juice. And the 25W fast charging capability ensures that you can quickly recharge your phone when needed. Plus, the USB Type-C port makes it convenient to plug in and charge your device. No more fussing with different types of cables. Stay powered up and ready to go with the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get